Introduction. The winter season has arrived. Early mornings and late nights are cold. Rishi's mother has taken the woolens out from the box. She has put them out in the sun. Now they are ready to use. In this lesson, you will learn about the clothes worn in different seasons. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to state the importance of clothes, identify the clothes worn in the summer season, identify the clothes worn in the rainy season, identify the clothes worn in the winter season. Importance of clothes. Human beings wear clothes to protect themselves from heat, cold, rain, dust. Clothes we wear vary from season to season. Clothes for summer season. We wear light-colored, cool cotton clothes in summer. Men wear cotton trousers and cotton shirts. Women wear cotton skirts, cotton blouses, and cotton saris. Cotton clothes keep heat away. We wear sandals and slippers and avoid shoes in summers. Clothes for rainy season. In rainy season, we wear clothes that dry quickly. We wear raincoats over our clothes. Raincoats protect our clothes from the rain. We wear rain boots to protect our feet. We use umbrellas during light rains. Clothes for winter season. We wear dark-colored woolen clothes in winters to keep ourselves warm. Both men and women wear sweaters, coats, mufflers, gloves, caps, etc. Some people also wear fur coats and leather jackets. We wear woolen socks and shoes to protect our feet. Self-assessment. Match the following by dragging and dropping the clothes in column A on the correct seasons in column B. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, and dust. We wear light-colored, cool cotton clothes in the summer season. In the rainy season, we use raincoats, rain boots, and umbrellas to protect ourselves from the rain.